All right, so we're going to be going into this space over here, and as you can see, there's some construction workers, and ideally I would like to have driven around this close, but I had to wait for a trailer to move, so I just came out of the parking space. But anyway, so here I'm going to be asking these guys if it's okay for me to back in, just in case they need a space.
Am I okay?
Yeah, I get the thumbs up. All right, so now my goal is to pretty much drive as far forward over this way as I can. All right, so basically getting my trailer pointing at least in this direction towards the building. Now I don't want it pointing towards these trailers here. I'm more likely going to be pointing it towards over here. All right, let's go ahead and do it. So cranking hard to the left. Now I'm cranking hard to the right now again. Even though I'm cranking hard to the right, my trailer is still going in this direction, getting closer to the building. Okay, let's take a peek over here in my bottom mirror. And I'm taking peeks over to the left. Okay, so let's take a look at what is going on. So, as you can see, I have stopped at an angle. So right now I'm going to just get my steers pointing straight. That's pretty much what I do all the time, and then kind of finesse it left and right. But it just to make sure that it's doing what I want to do. Because my goal right now is to get, by the time the back of my trailer gets to the front of this space, I want my trailer to be parallel. And I'd like my truck to as well, because there's going to be, I just, I'm being very aware of the construction workers over here. All right, so by the time I do get back there, it will be, I'll be able to look in both mirrors and everything will be all right. Okay, let's watch my steering as well. Don't be afraid to watch my steering. Okay, so right now I'm trying to get it parallel. Now, right here is pretty much where it's parallel. Okay, now I'm gonna go. I'm not quite to the trailer yet over here. I'm not right to the threshold of the space, so I'm gonna keep going. Okay, now when I pull forward, I should have a nice, simple, simple-ish straight back. This way I get to see in both mirrors. So look at this mirror over here now, right? So here's some construction workers. They're paying attention to me. They're watching out, making sure I'm not going to hit them. And now I can see them. Everything's all clear. All right, there's nobody in the space because I just saw what was in the space. And now we can just do a simple straight back. So small little maneuvering here now, right? So again, now if you see, so looking in the right hand mirror here, if you see too much of this side, you turn into it and then straighten up and then back again. Just small little maneuvering. Remember now, the trick is, all right, is to remember there's the front of the trailer as well as the back. If you want the front of the trailer to go to the left, well, turn left. All right, the back of the trailer will go to the right, but slightly, a lot less than the front of the trailer, how much the front of the trailer will move. Again, and if you wanted the front of the trailer to go right, to make the back of the trailer go left, all right, turn the steering wheel to the right. It's a handy little tip I'm going to give you there now, all right? All right. Well, that's that back. Okay, and there should be another one coming up soon, as well as a 360 video of this, so you can watch wherever you want to watch, well, except for the passenger side because there's no camera there, so that kind of sucks. But anyway, go ahead and share this, tell your friends, tell everybody. And about this website here, right now, if you're watching this video, well, when it kind of half came out, my website is still up and running. It's like it's not there. There's a link there and everything. I just It's very hard to work 6 days a week and make YouTube videos and make a website. So I've got a lot on my plate. Right now, I'm putting this here because in 2 years' time, hopefully when people are watching this video, the website will be running. So forgive me right now, and you're welcome right now if you're watching this 2 years from when I'm making it. Anyway, guys, all right, take care, and I'll hopefully have another video coming for you tomorrow if you're lucky, and if I'm lucky. Take care. Bye.